Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I added vinyl to a bucket and added lights to make it into a camping bucket. You can store things in these while you are camping and use it when it gets dark outside. I saw these being made last year and finally decided to make one this year. They are just so cool and I'm excited to show you how I put it together. Here's the bucket that I got. I bought this at Walmart and it cost around $3. The lid comes separately, so make sure you pick up the lid as well because I forgot to do that. The lid is around $2, so it's a pretty good price. The bucket had some stickers on it, and this was the hardest part, was getting the stickers off. I read you could add essential oils to the stickers, so I tried that, and it took one off pretty easily, but the warning sticker was just so hard to get off. Then I tried rubbing alcohol as well, and I was able to peel off a little bit more, but I finally just stopped filming and grabbed a razor and hot water, and that took off the rest. But if you have any tricks on how to get these off, definitely let us know in the comments below. Next, I measured my bucket to decide what size to make my design, and I decided to make it 8 inches for the width. First, what I'm going to do is upload my SVG for my bucket. I've already uploaded this from my downloads folder. I'm going to be using one of my images that is available for my Patreon members. If you are interested in becoming a Patreon member, it is only $4.99 a month, and you have access to SVGs. We're at a little over 100 SVGs right now, and I put out more each month. I work with somebody who hand draws these for me. I give her an idea of what I want it to look like and she draws it, and all of these images are Patreon images. I also want to mention that you can use these commercially to sell with your products, so if you want to find out more information about my Patreon account, you can find that down in the description box. So I like both of these images for the bucket, but I think I'm going to use this one. I'll insert this into Cricut Design Space. Then when I measured my SVG, I decided I wanted to do 8 inches for the width. So I'm just going to come up here and select 8 and hit enter. That'll bring it to about 4.9 for the height, which will be a good height for my bucket. This image has a few layers, so I am going to select on this and hit attach. You'll want to make sure to attach it so it'll show up like this when you click make it. So now I'm ready to do that. I'm going to click on continue. The vinyl that I'm going to be using is Oracal 651 vinyl, and the setting that works well for me is just the vinyl setting. I'm using Oracal 651 vinyl for the bucket. This is my favorite permanent adhesive vinyl to use. This vinyl lasts a long time and I do not seal over it. Once the Cricut is done cutting, I'll take the vinyl off of the mat and start weeding out the excess vinyl. I'm using a nail polish holder to weed. I buy this on Amazon, but I just posted a hack video and a lot of people said you can find this at Five Below, or I even think they said the Dollar Tree, so that is awesome. Next, I'll add my transfer paper. This transfer paper is amazing. It's from Expressions Vinyl, and I would highly recommend it. I have a link below if you are looking for a good transfer paper. I like to use rubbing alcohol first to clean the bucket. It'll just help the vinyl adhere better. Then I take my transfer paper off and apply the vinyl to the bucket. Here is the light I'm going to use. I bought it from Amazon and it comes with a remote to change it to different colors. I'm just adding the AAA batteries to it, and I'll have this linked down below as well. I decided to use super glue to add the light to the bucket lid. I wanted to put it on the bucket lid so